Right. If it hadn't been for the title, I'd been like, oh, she knows how to do that shit too. Hi, welcome to another piano video. Because based on my channel's analytics, piano videos are the only things people want to watch. Can you see this?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to do something stupid so that I'm not afraid of doing something stupid because it already happened. Ah! I'm scaring the ghost that's behind you.
The fact that that's irritating is because I looked.
This conversation never happened.
Cut. Just do a slice in your arm so you know.
Accordion cut. I'm changing the rules of cut.
Oh my gosh, accordion cut. Okay, that's a new one.
Yeah.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I'm so bad. I'm so... Darkness, I saw a meme. It said Darkness said, "I'm not your fucking friend," and then he left, and it was light. I found a piano YouTuber whose title is very, very familiar to me, and I can't put my finger on where. We're gonna watch her video, and we're gonna review it, and we're going to see if she copied more than just the title. All right, let's start the video.
I'm going to teach you how to fake being awesome at the piano. So my secret hope is that you're going to get addicted to the piano after this, and you're going to realize how fun and easy it is to play, and then you're going to dive into a lifelong pursuit of learning. But for now, I'm just going to teach you how to fake it.
She seems really nervous.
She seems really excited.
All we got to do is got to make a shape with our right hand. We're going to take our thumb and we're going to place it on C, which is right here. So if you see a group of 2 black keys, the C is just below it. I got 5 fingers. Each of them gets a little space.
Is she saying that because there's people out there that have more or less?
Did she say I?
Yes.
I got 5 fingers. Each of them gets a little space. And
No, I mean, like, obviously she's just going like, you know, we have 5 fingers to use.
Yeah, but what if somebody has 6?
There's not enough people out there like that.
How do you know?
Hello.
You can't.
My name is Inigo Montoya.
Hey, you're not allowed to say gloves anymore because gloves is only for people that have 5 fingers. You can't say high five anymore either.
You can say anything you want. Like,
I'm only going to press down my 1 and my 5, so it sounds like this. So that's actually C and G, and that's all you have to do with your right hand for this concept. It's really easy. You can play it up here, or here, or here, wherever you like. And then with your left hand, all you need to do is explore. So step 1 kind of looks a little like this. I'm going to keep this going. I'm just going to press any white key that strikes my fancy.
oh my gosh, dude.
I'm playing 2 white keys at once, but that match is called...
I fucking love this song.
So once you get good at that, we can
That's like easier.
fancy up that left hand just a little bit more. So I'm going to place my right hand here so I have more space. And then with my left hand, I'm going to play a note that matches the C here, just to start me off. Then I'm going to play the note 5 steps above this guy. So this is the G with my 2nd finger or pointer. And then I'm going to match the bottom note, but in a higher octave there. So that's what I'm going to do, and it's going to sound like this. And then I'm going to rock back and forth with these 2 notes. So it'll sound like this. And then
I would like to take a quick pause.
Your left hand, pinky on C, and you skip 1, 2, 3, and then land on the 4th. And then you skip 1, 2, and land on the 5th. This is the spacing. Always, no matter what your hand is doing, it will be this spacing here. Remember this.
Pinky, pointer, thumb, pointer, thumb. Repeat that shit.
And then I'm going to rock back and forth with these 2 notes. So it'll sound like this.
I'm only assuming this because of the fact that the title is like almost the exact same. That she would have seen my content on this because that's the exact same thing that I say to do here. So
The finger spacing and...
right, if it hadn't been for the title, I'd been like, oh, she knows how to do that shit too. But because I know she watched my shit.
And I can just move my hand around, creating that shape.
She just slowed it down.
And you're going to find things that you naturally like the sound of better, but play around a little bit until you find what feels just right for you. So that's the basics of faking it at the piano.
I liked her video. I honestly thought that her playing was really cool. and it was unique, and I liked it. I would buy that. All right, check it. It's Pianote. Check her out. Pianote, YouTuber. Anyways, I give it a thumbs up. Well, that's that, you guys. I rate this piano method 10 stars out of 10 stars. You can use that and it will be just as good as anything that you saw in my videos. And it also sounds pretty rad. And you can copy her like octaves, because I didn't think about how, you know, you can actually go further with the combos. Yeah, it's an octave, and that does sound pretty red. Do my eyes seem like super red?
Yes.
Are they bloodshot?
Yeah,
Oh.
like really bloodshot.
I humbly request you hit the like button on my video, regardless of your impression. Or, you know what? Hit the don't like button. Let's see how many thumbs downs. I don't know, just for f***ing science. Like, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Mm-hmm.